Hey guys, I want to share with you a tip to success. There's a lot of tips to success. There's not one, but here's one that I think is really important. You see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing a coat. You know why? It's cold out today. So I am prepared for what I'm about to go into, right? A lot of people want to be successful in real estate, but they're not prepared. And I think that getting prepared is one of the first things that you got to do when you first get started. People are like, oh, I want to buy an apartment building. I want to, do a fix and flip. I want to buy a rental. I want to do whatever it is that you want to do. I got it. You want to take action. You want to get going. And what a lot of people do is they take action first. The first thing you should be doing is put your coat on. Get prepared. You find out what it is you're about to be venturing into, set some goals, find out what it is that you're going to have to do to be successful, be prepared for that, and then go out and do it, right? But the preparedness side of it is really 90% of success. So here's some things you can do to get prepared to be successful in real estate investing. Set some goals, okay? If you don't have goals, then any deal you come across is going to look great to you because it's gonna have dollar signs attached to it. But if you've got goals, you'll be able to say no. And being able to say no is one of the best things that being prepared will allow you to do, and not get distracted by shiny nickels or deals that might come bouncing by you. So with a good set of goals, you'll be prepared to say no to things when it's not really in line with where you really want to go. That's the first one. The second thing is you got to build a team. Nobody I know of in this business does it by themselves, right? Probably true in life, really. But you cannot be successful in real estate. There's just too many moving parts. There's too many skill sets required. There's too many different knowledge sets that are required in this business. So you're not going to be successful unless you've got a team. So building your team before you find your first deal is absolutely important too. That's step number 2 for being prepared. And the last thing for being prepared that you got to do to really be successful here is to get really connected to your why, right? So, and your why cannot be to make money, okay? It cannot be, when I say your why, I mean, why are you doing this? Why do you want to invest in real estate? Why do you want to be involved in stuff like this, right? It's a good question, by the way. And to make money is not a good enough why. What are you gonna do with the money? So what? You take care of your family, you're gonna go travel, you're gonna go enjoy the world, you're gonna do some give back stuff, you're gonna donate part of that money. What are you gonna do with it? Why do you wanna be successful in this business? Because I can tell you that a why is gonna get you through the downtimes, and it's gonna keep you motivated during the uptimes as well. So having a really clear why and why you want to be a real estate investor, why you want to do this, and have it written down and visit it almost every day if you can, right? A why, your goals, a team. Those are 3 things you need to be prepared. There are a ton of other success tips out there. Those are 3 for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great, profitable week.